Hi, Sue Wilson. I've got a lovely silver and white buckle card to share with you today. Isn't that pretty? So we'll show you what we'll be using. From the Snowball frame, I'm just going to be using the Believe sentiment. From the Snowfall background, we're going to use the center section to seat our sentiment on. And the Angelina is what we're going to be using for the buckle portion of the card. And we're going to be doing a little bit of embossing with the Ice Crystals embossing folder. So I think I'll start with the embossing first. So I've got a piece of coconut white card that is 5.5 inches wide by 7 3/4 inches long. I'm going to bring in my ice crystal folder and I'm going to pop that in and try and get that nice and straight across. That looks good. And I'm just going to use a raspberry adapter plate. There we go. Oh, really nice. This is a lovely folder. Isn't that pretty? Got such beautiful detail with that. Okay, I'm going to come back to this in a second. I am going to start on the buckle part of this. Now, I've laid this out and I've actually pre-glued a little bit, but what I want to show you is I've used this inner ring from the Angelina to do 4 ovals. And I've just put one inside of the other, and then I've cut the outer ring from the Angelina and I've glued it on top, okay? So what I want to do is I've taken a strip of card and I've just put a couple little forks on either end. So what you want to do is go underneath the outside of it first, over that one, and you're also going to go over the next one, go under this Angelina. Let me get both ends of that fork under there. There we go. And then bring it up, and this is a little bit tricky. Excuse my hands. So you want to get those tips of those forks up, bring it over the center, back under, back over the next 2, and then out the side. So it literally will hold everything into place, okay? So now what I can do is just center up my buckle piece, turn it over, and I can use a piece of mounting foam to secure everything into the back. Pretty good, like that. Okay, so I'm going to bring over my base piece that we embossed. And I'm going to put that right in the center. Oops. That looks nice. About like that. And I'm going to add a couple of strips of pearls. Now I've got the double strips of pearls, so what I'm going to do is cut them right down the center. Actually, let's use the smaller scissors for that. And separate these. Okay, so now I can peel it off here. Just run it right across the bottom, give it a nice, pretty edge finish to it. There. And the other one. Oops. Folded that over just, there we go. Let me leave a little spot. I knocked one off. Hang on a second. That, and I'm going to just use a little bit of glue. I knocked it right off the string. There it is. Glue that one into place right there. Okay, so I've got the base sort of worked out there. Easy peasy, and I'm going to pop it onto my backing piece. The white paper pierced edge, and I've gone with the silver mirror card. There we go. So now we're going to work upwards from that a little bit. So I've got the Angelina outside die cut out of the silver mirror, and I'm just going to pop this on with a little bit of glue around the sides here. Line that up. That looks pretty good. Just hold that into place, and we're going to cut the center section. So I'm going to go back over to the snowfall background, and I've got a circle that I cut earlier, but I'm just going to do the detail portion of it now. Bring my cutting plate back in, and we will take this into place. Let's do 2. Okay. Take our tape off, use a little tool-in-one, get out the little bits. There we go. Oop, almost all of them. There we go. And I've got one little guy here. So we've got a really pretty place to sit our sentiment on. I'm going to back it with some silver, so I think I'll just use some spray glue. That right over the top. There we go. I've got a little bit of mounting foam on it. That is going to seat right in the middle of that Angelina. And I've done the Believe sentiment out of silver mirror card. Use a little glue on the back of that. Pop that on. Like that. And to finish this off, what I want to do is add in some little 3mm pearls along that, that flag. So we'll just put a few on either side to really finish that off. See if we can get those a little straighter. There we go. And do this side. Couple over here. And I think that'll tie in really nicely with the pearls on the edge. And there you have it. So easy and absolutely beautiful. You've got a beautiful Christmas buckle card. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and don't forget our YouTube channel has so many videos for you to watch.